Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right guys, so today's video, this is a fish market video. I wanted to show you guys a little behind the scenes at the fish market. So I'm out back right now. I'm gonna go around to the front and show you guys that. This video was filmed in 2 different times. So you're gonna see me in different clothes, whatever. Anyways, I just wanted to share this with you guys, so I hope that you enjoy. Here we go. Okay, so I thought I would bring you guys outside so that you could see the fish market sign. This is the front of the fish market. I'm just so proud of this place, you guys. I love it. Brownsville, Tennessee, City Fish Market. This is Davis Fish Market. Thought I would share with you guys. We're kind of slow today, so I thought that I would just share a little bit about the fish market. We've done this once before, but I didn't get to put a lot of footage of it in because we usually stay so busy here that it's just impossible to do any kind of filming or anything because we're just incredibly busy all the time. But it is pouring down rain today. Actually, the parking lot is flooded. Yeah, it's rained a whole lot today. Anyways, we have tables out front. We've got the raw fish over here on the right-hand side. This is my daddy-in-law. He owns the place. It's his worker, Philip. And then this is Papa. We're not sure what he does, but... Okay, we're back. Had to cut out a little bit there. Papa has a dirty mouth. Anyways, over here on the other side, we have got the cooked fish. This is Miss Althea. She's my road dog. She's my road dog. That's my friend now. We ride together every weekend. Have for years now. We've got cooked fish. Today we've got buffalo, which is this. We've also got whole catfish. So yeah, hush puppies, my daddy-in-law's special recipe, secret recipe. We also sell peach cobbler and we have got white beans as well. All right, so like I was saying, we've got the cooked fish over here on this side. We also serve white beans, good old cooked ham hock white beans, you guys. These are the good ones. Oh, they're so good. We weigh everything out. That's how we price. We have got French fries. Of course, we got the hush puppies. Got to give it a little shake. Cooking it up. We got 2 cookers that we cook off of. Keep it going all day. We mix the meal over here, and then you got the raw fish to go into the meal. That's how it works, you guys. Quick, simple, and fast. We have coleslaw and onion. Also hot sauce and ketchup and all that good stuff. Then this is the back. This is the storage and like a little seating place for us. And this is where they keep the raw fish. Everything stays on ice until it's put out into the, like they're gonna take this and put it in the front cooler. But yeah, very cool. This is my Maymal. This is Maymal and my Aunt Adrian. Say hi, Maymal. Hi. Ah. But yeah, so this is the fish market, y'all. So this is my father-in-law, and it is fascinating to me how he cuts this fish. He literally, I don't know how he doesn't cut his fingers off, I swear. He chops it, and every piece comes out exactly the same size. It's just perfect. I mean, it is definitely from years of practice, for sure, and it shows because he's just, it's fascinating to me. Anyways, My father-in-law started working for the owner of this fish market when he was 16 years old. He worked for him for 34 years before he took over the business, and now it is Davis Fish Market. It is owned by my father-in-law now. He also owns another fish market in Samburg, where we live. It's like an in and out type fish market where they actually bring the fish from the lakes and the rivers and whatever to him, and they clean and process the fish at that particular fish market, and then we bring it down here to Brownsville and sell it, cook it, sell it, raw, cooked, whatever. Anyways, I just think it's really neat the way that all of this happened and how he owns it now, and the fact that he started working for him so young and really put his heart into it, and it just shows. You can tell he's just a very smart man when it comes to business and just owning a business and running a business. He's just super duper smart. Anyways, I know I'm giving my father-in-law the big head, but he really is a very determined, very, very smart man. Anyways, this fish market is so much fun to work at. Like, we meet so many different people from all over the place. People come from miles and miles to get our fish because it is the freshest that you can get in the state of Tennessee. When you come to our fish market, you know that nothing has been frozen. Everything that you get that week was caught that week and cleaned that week. So my father-in-law has several men that fish for him. They bring their fish in, including my husband. My husband is one of the commercial fishermen for my father-in-law. And they catch the fish in like Reelfoot Lake where we live, or on the Tennessee River or Mississippi River, or stuff like that. So the fish come from all over, but they're never pond raised. This is wild caught. And then, like I said, when you buy it from us that week, you know that it has been cleaned and processed that week. It has never been frozen. It's fresh, as absolutely fresh can be. So anyways, I think that's pretty cool too.
I need 20.
Just let me know a week before that. Okay.
Do what? Sitting on a stool. I should be working right now, but anyways, we're slow, so I'm filming. Oh, daddy-in-law. Nobody wants to come back here and talk with me.